Hi, this is Karen at Firefly. I have a kit that I want to tell you about. This is our Blemish Control Kit that we have on sale right now for the holidays, for holiday shopping. So this kit is going to be good for people that are having breakouts from wearing a mask. And also it's great for teenagers. So, teenagers, if they're having like extra breakout, this would be a great kit for them to get on a good home regimen at home. So what's in this kit is it comes with a Blemish Control Bar. So this is a cleanser. This is actually a bar of soap inside of this this container. So when you open it up, it's hard and you foam it up. It comes with these little sponges. So you get it wet, foam it up with the sponge, and then you apply it that way. Then you leave the cleanser on just for a couple minutes for the ingredients to really react with the skin. And this is a great cleanser for people that have breakouts. So this is a Blemish Control Bar. And then the next step would be, this is a mask that is a really nice one for acne and breakouts. It's Purifying Mask. It's got clay in it, but it also has a little bit of pumice, so it's exfoliating. So it can be used either as a scrub where you use it as just scrub it and wash it off right away, or you can put it on and leave it on as a mask and let it dry, and the clay will help for those really oily people. So what I suggest for people that when they use this is to put it on as a mask before you get in the shower. It's much easier to get this off with in the shower because of the clay and also the pumice. So put it on just a few minutes before you get in the shower and then get in the shower to wash it off. So this is what the exfoliator that I would recommend, and combination with the mask for the Blemish Control Kit. Then the next step after you clean off the mask, of course, is we have this little Acne Gel. So this can be used as a spot treatment. So this little one would actually last for a pretty long time if you're just using it as a spot treatment. However, for really oily skin, this can be used all over the skin as a serum to help so that the oil production isn't quite as much. So this is the Acne Gel. And then the final product that comes in this kit is Clearskin. So this is a moisturizer. And this is a light moisturizer, so it's great for oily skin, people that don't want to have a whole lot of moisturizer on their face, but they still need to hydrate, because if they're using other products that are drying out their skin, and maybe they're using something that's stronger or even something from a doctor that's drying out their skin because they're trying to get rid of the acne, you need to balance it out with the proper hydration. So Clearskin is a good option for that, for a moisturizer. And it also has niacinamide in it, so it helps if people are getting like kind of redness or that like more red on their skin. The Clearskin and the niacinamide in the Clearskin will help to control the redness too. So those are the 4 products in the Blemish Control Kit. It's 20% off if you buy them all together. So it's only costs $134, which is 20% off the regular price if you bought each of these separately. So we have them here at Firefly if you want to pick some up. And this is also a kit that we can drop ship to you if you order on the website, which is fireflywellnessdayspa.com. And again, it's $134. And let us know if you have any questions. Thanks so much, and get your glow on at Firefly.